Oh shit, this is cute. Here's a style. Just kidding. Hey y'all, welcome back to another juicy video. Let's get into this bun, get into this wig, get into this lace, get into it, baby. I'm here to show y'all this wig I made. Like, get into it, get into it. Lace wear. So this unit was originally a curly full lace wig, which I have on in the video before this. I actually turned it into a faux locks wig. I braided it and then I wrapped it with the Marley hair, and this is the end result, and I just love it, like literally. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys about 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, depending how many styles I can get. I'm gonna show you guys a couple of hairstyles that you can do when you have a full locks wig installed. And this could work even if it's not a wig and you just have faux locks done on your real hair. Here are some styles that you can do. When I installed this wig, it was in a ponytail, so it was easy for me to just wrap it up into a bun. But now I have to take it down, and this shit's hurting my neck. Like, it's so heavy, y'all. It's so heavy. But you know, it's cute, so I just had to stick with the pain. You know, beauty is pain, pain is beauty, whatever. So yeah, I'm about to take it out of the bun, and I actually put all these things in it while it was in a bun, so I don't know how it's gonna look when it's down, but you know, we're just gonna do it. Like, it's whatever at this point. So yeah, let's just do it. I have a mirror over here, so if you see me looking this way, that's why. And by the way, when I did my faux locks wig, I left the ends of the braiding hair, like when I braided this look a mess. So when I braided my hair, I left the ends on. I didn't burn them off because when I put it in a bun, I want to use those ends to wrap it around so it's secure. So I left those on just so y'all know, because it might look a little weird, but that's why y'all gonna see like the ends like this, because I didn't burn them. That was my preference. I chose to do it that way, so it's easy to use these ends to wrap it up under here without ruining the actual faux locks. So that's just how I did them. You know, everybody is entitled to their own way of doing their faux locks, but that's just how I did mine. I'm not planning on wearing them down because I think they look better when they're in a bun. So that's just how I did it. So yeah, let's get it. So you know, the first hairstyle is obviously gonna be a ponytail. Can't go wrong. Ponytail's really cute. Just a regular ponytail to the back. This shit's heavy, so if my neck look funny, it's because it's heavy and I'm not used to all this weight on my neck. Like, this frontal is just stressing me out. Like, it's so bomb. It's so bomb. Okay, so yeah, this is what I use. A little headband. I cut it in half so I could get this into a ponytail. I'm afraid that after I do this, I'm not going to be able to put it back into a ponytail because this is a lot of hair, and I did it while it was on my canvas head, so we're gonna have to see. Okay, this is gonna feel so weird coming down, even though it's not my real hair. But hey, okay. This is cute or whatever. into the back. I guess I can just do like a little part right here actually. This is pretty. Style number 2, basic, straight down, all down. Okay, so style number 3, we're just gonna pop this up into a little side part. Yeah, the mirror's right here, y'all, so excuse me. We're gonna just do a little side part situation. Yeah, I'm starting off real basic. Like, I'm trying to like do a braid up here in the front. Oh shit, this is cute. Yeah. Oh well. I guess this is a style. I literally just made it up just now, but you know, I did a little braiding and this is what I got. This could be another style. So that's that. So next, the next style is a half up, half down. Then what you could also do with the half up, half down is take this into a bun. You see, I use the ends to pull them back into the bun that I create. Here's a style. Just kidding. This is my cute. I really like this hairstyle. It's super adorable. Alright y'all, so thank you so much for tuning into this video. I hope you guys learned at least 1 or 2 new ways to style your faux locks. You could also do these styles for braids as well. They work just the same. Hit me up if you want one of these faux locks wigs made, because you know I got you. Like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next juicy video. And again, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, Juicy Gang.